Okay, let's create something useful but yet fun. So before I started, if you want to use this code, the link for GitHub repo where you will find this code will be in the description. Go check it out for yourself and make sure that you leave a star on a GitHub repository. And if you want to read about this code and how this code works in detail, that is also in that GitHub repo in readme file, so you can read about it. And yes, subscribe to this channel, like the video and comment and do share. That helps the engagement and that helps me to grow. If you want to help me in any way, by the way. So yeah, we are recording, and yes, so to start, I'm using Google Colab so that we can on the same page. We can be on the same page. Obviously, you can use VS Code, you can use PyCharm if you want to, but yes, uh, if you're on Mac or Windows, it doesn't matter. Just Google Colab research.google.com or just simply search Google Colab on Google. You will be on this page, and just go ahead and start a new notebook here. So I will make a no new no make a new notebook. So what we will make today? So we will make a mood dashboard, which will have let's say it will have a drop down menu on will have a different moods. So based on your mood, it will recommend you. Let's say if your mood is motivational, it will recommend you a motivational quote. If you want to have fun or want joke, it will recommend you some jokes. Let's say if you're down, it will recommend you some YouTube link or video if you're sad or down. Uh, Based on that, and it will create and it will give you a mood graph also. So we will make this. So the elements which we will make is first it will give you graph. So matplotlib is there. It will interact or give you a YouTube link. So obviously there's is some sort of request. Since we are using Google Colab, so we have to import IPython for display and to interact with HTML tags and everything. And to interact with the widget, we will obviously use ipy widget there. And what else we are using? So yeah, and to make things random, we can import random. Uh, and yeah, let's do this. Let's start this. And yeah, so first connect your notebook to the internet. So I'm using Google Colab because you can run it on Mac, you can run it on Windows, and it will be same like this only. But if you're watching this in future, so first of all, hello, say hi, and tell me which year it is. And yeah, but for 2025, it will look like this. Let's change it to mood dashboard, BOARD. And yeah, let's first pip install our dependency. So pip install. So what we want to install is mat plot lib. We also want request QEST, um, yes request, and we also want ipy widget is in build ipython or ipy widget. I think ipy widget we want. So ipy widget vidgets. So ipy widgets. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's see. Okay, I already have these dependency because I'm creating videos on different topics. So if you want to check them out, it will be in card here somewhere, or at the end of a screen. And yeah, if you want to watch them, like we have created geo locator, we have created what we also have created what audio cache, audio what generator, that what I am not a robot thing, caption captcha, audio captcha generator. uh, and yeah, we have created a lot of things. Like we have created 4 to 5 projects in 4 to 5 days, so you can check them out. It's on this channel only if you want to. So enough of plugging, now let's code. So let's now import matplot lib as py matplotlib dot pyplot as a plt. Why plt? Because I don't want to write matplotlib as pyplot again. So whenever I have to use matplotlib, I will use plt. So it would be pyplot. Yeah. Now import ipy widgets to use widgets. So it would be from we have to import uh, interact. So to interact with the and widgets. So what you are saying in gray is basically AI trying to complete the code. You can use it. It is helpful if you're writing, if you want to like write code fast and everything. But don't rely on this purely, because let's say if you want to write some different code and it is just predicting like basically AI is a combination of prediction and statistics and everything. So if you want to again plug here it comes the plug. If you want to learn about machine learning, the video is on the channel. You can learn about machine learning and yeah, recommender system and everything. So basically it predicts based on your tokens. So let's say if you don't want to use the specific code which AI is providing you, that can lead you in a very different way. So yes, you can use it to make yourself fast and everything, but always try to write your own code till uh, I think AI is too advanced where you just speak and it creates a code which is here. I'm talking about ChatGPT, but don't rely on ChatGPT code also, because they can be sometimes random. They can help you, but they can be random sometimes. There goes an unpopular opinion there. So from ipy display, import port import display html port oi display html uh, clear output. So output, okay, clear output. We have to import random to randomize things and everything, and we have to import request. Yeah, so there it is. So I have created a list of motivational quotes, jokes, and list of links to a YouTube video for relaxation and all, so that we can move up, so that I don't have to write unnecessary things for the sake of it, or and we can just focus on this code and everything. So I will just paste it here. So here it is. You will find the this in GitHub repo. So don't worry. So okay. I, after doing this, so basically these are the links to YouTube video with the lo-fi beats, natural sound, fireplace, calming sound, so relaxing video and everything. Now let's make a function which is our mood dashboard. We can call it dash bard, and it will take our mood, and then we can say clear output true, so that we start from scratch. Wait, wait, wait for a while. True. After doing that, we can print uh, your current mood. So what we can say is print if your current current mood, so your current mood, and it will take mood and it will capitalize it, CAPET, Uh, so as you can see, it's not recommending here CAPI, CAPITALIZE. So it will capitalize it, CAPITALIZE. It will capitalize it. Okay, now we have to just write if statements to check for a mood and everything. So if mood is equals to happy, again recommending. Obviously, we want to active VITY. So activity keep spreading, SPREADING. We are just uh, sending some positive and happy messages towards user, spreading the joy. Um, here here is a motivational code for you, QUOT for you. So here is a motivational code for you, and we can suggest SUGGEST, SUGGEST. I know, and suggestion, right? SUGGESTION. Yes, suggestion random. So we will pick from our list of motivational code. So choice, um, motivational. So I can do tab and it will complete. So to keep this development fast, I will tap it where I think I don't have to type. I am typing unnecessary, but you try to develop a coding habit inside you. Don't rely on this, because obviously this is very helpful and very, like, I so want to always auto complete my code, but that can be a wrong practice if you're a software developer and if you didn't get in habit of writing a code. uh, so if you're developing something which is intensive, you will feel bored. That's why I'm trying to write and everything. So activity, so if you are feeling sad, activity, so to really throw, obviously we can write it's okay to feel sad here as a joke for you, but I will write cheer up with this joke. Cheer up with this joke. Okay, let's go. So after doing this suggestion, obviously we will pick a random choice various from joke list of joke. We have jokes, and let's say else if mood is equals to relaxed. Like, I don't know if you guys have watched that meme or something where a boy is trying to write and it goes like her in his childhood, in her childhood, and she is like very, like, sophisticated with her English and everything, and me, and there is a boy, small kid, learning alphabet, W, W, capital W, small W. So yeah, so I get reminded of that. That's why that. So change in the voice modulation there, and one more would be there is this meme where a guy is very enthusiastic and he has a mic in his hand and goes like, okay, let's go. So sometimes I get a random urge to say that. So okay, let's go. Okay, that's some weird, like, wrong tangent we are going. So again, if mood is relaxed, uh, activity, give user some activity. So I will say enjoy this relaxing video. Okay, let's go. Okay, and suggestion from a video, relaxing video list. Suggestion. So you can use, actually expand on this code and use in a different way. Like let's say you can make this list very dynamic, and you can actually use APIs to pull different YouTube videos based on the mood. You can use LLM in this, and you can really expand this. And if you really want to build business around it, you can, what you can do is you can take this code, integrate LLM basically. You can choose your own LLM, whatever you like, and code a Streamlit web app around this. Use a Django or MongoDB database to store user information and everything. And yeah, and if you want to make it free, you can use Google Ads on it. But if you really want to charge it for a premium everything, so you can integrate Razorpay, PayPal, uh, and make a proper SaaS around it. So I'm just uh, giving you a basic code and a feel of it here. But yeah, you can really expand this idea. And why it is useful? Because sometimes, let's say, if it can help someone who is an ADHD, who has like some psychological difficulties to come up to interact with this interface, and get to try new ideas, new videos, get to see new videos, or have some conversation with LLM if you integrate LLM in this. So yeah, you can expand on this. Uh, Relaxing video, so enjoy this relaxing video, and I will say watch this, uh, and in this relaxing, really XING video. So relaxing video, and we want a link. So basically what we will do is, again, in a random and in curly braces, um, random dot choices, uh, random dot choice, uh, obviously from relaxing videos list. So relaxing videos. Okay. So after doing that, so we got a relaxed, happy, sad. So if you're getting annoyed by me doing this and this, I'm just checking that we are recording and everything is fine at the back end there. So bear with me there. Okay, so let's say if you're happy, sad, relaxed, we can add more moods. Let's say stressed. So we can say let's say if mood is equals to square to stressed, STRESSED, we can say take a deep breath or something. Activity, ACT, activity, take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out, breath, and enjoy life. Okay, okay. Take a deep breath and enjoy life. Or let's go for enjoy this. I don't want to sound pompous there. And enjoy this. So again, we can recommend some relaxing video suggestion from a relaxing video. Again, I have I wrote this, so it is the same like this. So we will do just tab. Else, if you want to expand on these mood also, you can go for one more else if. I'm going for else. Let's end it here. And I will say else activity, if you're dead inside. No, no. If else, here's something. Here's something, what do you wanna say, to inspire you. Random to lighten your day, to inspire, random to light, LIGH, LIGH, lighten your day. So here's something to lighten your day. And suggestion random. So we can go for random choice. Uh, we can literally go for jokes plus motivation video or jokes, but let's go for jokes plus. It would be joke or jokes. Jokes. Motivational quotes. No, 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 not like this. See, that's what I was saying. It has given me print activity, print suggestion, but it would not be like that. So we will display the suggestion. It would be like print F new line or next line uh, activity acti activity and print um, F next line basically mm, next line and suggestion and suggestion. Okay, now we can add like widgets and display for a visual element. Let's say if I do this, it will give us it will run properly, but there will be not okay STRASSUD. What? Why it is giving me an error? Okay, wait. So this was fine, but somehow okay. Now it would be okay. Yeah. So it ran perfectly. So code is fine till now. Now let's go for our mood graph. So basically moods. So we have what kind of moods? We have happy, sad, stress, neutral. We can go. So happy, sad, relaxed, chilled. Wait, LXED. We can go for again stressed. अरे यार complete नहीं करना relaxed and it's like literally trying to fight with me. I'm very helpful, like it's very helpful, but I want to make a video here. Yeah. So mood and let's go for mood count. So basically, what is mood count? So obviously, it will have some sort of number to make that graph. So this is hard coded, but you can obviously make it very dynamic. If you guys want it, do comment. I will try to make this more dynamic, this code more dynamic and more, let's say, we can integrate LLM and everything in this. So yeah, but if you guys comment and share this video. So if let's say if this video gets 150 likes because we are new and 15 comments, then sure. Uh, random dot so basically this will take random integers, so it will go for random integers and it will start for 10 to 100, between 10 to 100, and it will multiply and or it will go for 10 to 100. We don't need to multiply for in, so it will give values to different and moods. Okay, so we are so pick a random integer from 10 to 100 in for moods in our mood for mood count, and what you can say is mood. So I'm doing this to actually make a graph for our mood, uh, and obviously they are based on some data and everything, so I'm providing like random data right now to create that graph. So mood moods dot int, not int but index So moods dot index mood smooths. So moods dot index moods, but it will show it. Yeah, mood. The for so for so index moods in mood plus. I have never thought that I will say mood and this time. And when you repeat certain words again and again, they sound very weird. So now mood is sounding very weird to me. So random int, um, 5 to 20. So uh, no. It will close here. I think. Yeah. What? Why it's showing error? Semicolon? No. Going. Now it will be okay. Yeah. So mood count is basically index the moods and then like highlight the scale which we have provided, like from 5 to 20 um if I am right, and it will basically highlight the selected mood. So basically, let's say if you're stress, it will highlight the stress. Okay, now let's plot a figure. So again, PLT format lib FIGURE figure. You can choose your figure size. I always go for 8 and 6. That like that is good for me, or 8 and 5 is good for me. But obviously you can go for, so basically height and width. So 8 and 5. Okay, let's go. So come on, stop saying that. So you can plot a pie chart, bar graph, histogram, and everything. So, but the difference between bar graph and histogram is that histogram is for continuous data, like to represent continuous data, but bar graph can be used for data which are not continuous, basically. So it will take moods. It will take mood count. It will let's give a color. What color we can give? We can give again. Let's go for sky blue. Okay, auto complete. We get it. But sky mood counts. Let's go for sky blue. And sorry for the noises which are coming from outside. And alpha of 8, so basically alpha of 0.8. So basically 80%. So what is alpha? Let's see what is alpha. Float. Center, color, edges, labels. Basically, alpha is your uh, strength, I think. I'm not recollecting what alpha means here, but I think the what you will say, the quantity, the level of intensity, I guess it. Like in text, it is basically the boldness of a text or something, but I think for color it is a intensity. If I'm wrong, just correct me in the comment section. But I'm unable to recollect it what alpha is here. But goes from zero point 0.0 to 1.0, and I think it's basically how dark a color is. If I am not wrong, so we will first give a title to a graph. So let's go for mood distribution, and again it has completed, so let's go for that only. So x label is basically what will be on your x axis, y label is what will be on your y axis. But I will add one more thing here. I will add a font size. So basically font size 12. I'm getting rattled because the outside noises are too loud for me, so it's more like it should not get like bad in video or something. Video should not get. Uh, let's just leave that. I'm like getting confused between train of thoughts, chain of thoughts. So basically, I will on XXL it will be 12 with a font size of 12, of mood, and for y label the font the it will have count, and the font size will be 12 again. And again, what I have said, it is helpful to take a use of AI and everything, but if you want to add or replace or want to write different code, uh, it can really throw you off sometimes. So here I also want a X tick and a Y tick. Like now when I have said entered, now it is giving me. But let's say if you have completed all of this and ran it, it would have been fine. Let me show you. Uh, let's run it. It is fine, and it will give you some plot or something. But I just want to. Wait, not this. X tick. Yes, not this. Y tick. I need Y ticks. Font size of 8. Font size of not 8, 12, and not rotation. Again, font size of 10 as well. And PLT show. So why we haven't got any graph after this? Because we are not using IPython display right now. We are in Google Colab. The code is right, by the way. It's running perfectly fine. Now let's create something to view and interact with this code. So to basically have some sort of interaction or interactive widgets with user input, we will create some interactive widgets. So we will say mood selector. So we will have some drop down menu here. So mood selector widgets down, drop it down, drop down. Uh, and we can go ahead and again you can give let's complete it options. Okay, it's not showing now, so we will code okay, options happy, sad, relax, neutral. Yeah. Value, the default value, neutral. Description, let's go for your mood. Okay, and oh, let's uh, remove this and go for style. uh, Description with initial, yeah. So yeah, so what, wait for a second. Okay, so we have created a mood selector, and as you can see it's giving me a code, but we have to look what we want and what we don't want. So we don't want all of this and everything. We just want interact, mm, mood dashboard, and mood selector. Let's run it. Come on. Okay, nice. So as you can see, the default value is neutral, and yeah, here we are getting a code. Here's something random to lighten your day. Why was the math book sad? It has it had too many problems. Okay, and as you can see, our neutral mood has been highlighted here. Yeah. Now let's change it to, let's go for something which have YouTube video and everything. So we have YouTube video and relaxed and sad. So relaxed. So why it's not getting anything? Okay, let's go for sad. Let's see our sad thing is working. Why it's not giving us? Is there any? Okay. Okay, let me say your current mood is sad. Yeah, I'm sad because I'm I'm not getting what I have wished for. Activity, yes. Come on. So it was just an indentation error. Well, else if indentation error. Okay, let's go. Now I think everything should work fine. Let's go for sad. And as you can see, it's working. Cheer up, here is a joke for you. I told my computer I needed a break, and now it won't stop sending me Kit Kats. Okay, let's go for relaxed. Okay, and as you can see, we're getting that YouTube video link. So there's that. This is how you code your mood dashboard. The code for this will be on the GitHub. So make sure that you start that repo. The detailed description of this code will be in that same GitHub repo. And Yeah, make sure that you start it and subscribe, share, and like. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Peace.